Today is Friday, November 7th.
Hello! This device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in the Alexa app.
Hola. Este dispositivo está listo para la configuración. Solo sigue las instrucciones en la app de Alexa.
Bonjour. Cet appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Il suffit de suivre les instructions dans l'application Alexa.
Bringing your device online. Just a moment. While it's downloading, you can keep setting up this device in the Alexa app.
The current weather is 82 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today, you can look for partly sunny weather, with a high of 82 degrees and a low of 64 degrees. And no matter the weather, it's a good day to curl up with a great audiobook from Audible. Experience Harry Potter like you've never heard it before. Today is Friday, November 7th. I'm feeling a little wicked because I have a new Wicked for Good theme to try. Hey Elphaba and Glinda, is there anything you'd like to add? Maybe in song, since that's kind of your thing. Hip-hop lo-fi beat instrumental, and similar songs, on Amazon Music. That was a relaxed one. Try asking me for a long and crispy fart. From Press Association on October 28, 2025, Vice President J.D. Vance said that he believes U.S. military members will be paid at the end of the week, but did not specify how the Trump administration will reconfigure funding in the second longest government shutdown. The funding fight in Washington gained new urgency this week as millions of Americans face the prospect of losing food assistance, more federal workers miss their first full paycheck, and recurring delays at airports snarl travel plans. I hope you have a great day.